In this video, we're going to show you how you can add bots to your Discord server. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more Discord tips just like this. Bots can enhance your server with new features and help with moderation. Here's how you can go ahead and get started. First things first, go ahead and find your server name up in the top left corner and go ahead and click on it. From here, you'll see an option that says App Directory. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. In this left-hand menu, you'll see an option that says Apps. Just make sure that it's selected, and up at this very top, you'll see a bunch of different categories. If you already know the kind of bot that you want to use, simply use this search bar up in the top right and directly search for it. In this case, I'm actually going to go ahead and use Server Stats, just like so. Go ahead and hit enter, find the exact bot that you want to go ahead and use and select it. And from here, you'll see the option of add app on this little right hand section. Go ahead and select that. And from here, just make sure that you select the correct server that you want to add it to. In my case, I'm going to add it to my own personal Discord server. Go ahead and hit continue, allow it to have whatever permissions it might need. Now, I definitely recommend reviewing these beforehand, but once you do, go ahead and hit authorize. And you may need to type in a code here to actually go ahead and confirm it if you have multi-factor authentication set up. But yeah, once doing so, your bot is now going to be added. Now, each bot that you do have may use different commands. I recommend checking the individual descriptions in the app directory. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.